Welcome, parents and caregivers. Today, we're delving into the world of convenience, safety, and style with our rundown of the top 5 best baby strollers in 2024. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the latest innovations, durability, ease of use, and comfort features that cater to both you and your little one's needs. From compact designs for urban maneuverability to all-terrain models built for adventurous outings, we've curated a selection that ensures you'll find the perfect match. Stick around until the end for an exclusive insider tip that could revolutionize your strolling experience. Let's dive in and make every stroll a joyous journey. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mention, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The world of convenient baby travel systems. Let's explore the Evenflo Pivot Modular Travel System, a game-changer in the world of infant car seats and stroller combos. Taking a closer look at the Evenflo Pivot Modular Travel System, a popular choice for parents seeking versatility and convenience. Let's unpack this system together and explore all its features. The Pivot Modular Travel System features the SafeMax rear-facing infant car seat with an anti-rebound bar, providing extra peace of mind. The SafeZone base with belt lock-off system ensures a secure and correct installation. This versatile system offers 6 different modes, allowing you to adapt to your growing child's needs. From infant car seats to stroller seats, carriage mode, and more, you have everything covered. The reversible seat allows your baby to face you for bonding or face out to explore their surroundings. The adjustable canopy provides protection from the sun, and the removable arm bar makes it easier to get your baby in and out. The stay-in-car base facilitates quick and effortless transitions from car to stroller and back. No need to wake your sleeping baby. Large cruiser tires with tread offer a smooth and comfortable ride for both you and your baby, even on uneven terrain. The spacious storage basket allows you to bring all your essentials along for the journey. Overall, the Evenflo Pivot Modular Travel System is a feature-packed and versatile option for parents seeking convenience and safety. Its 6 modes, reversible seat, and easy transitions make it a perfect companion for growing families. Whether you're taking a quick trip to the store or a leisurely stroll in the park, this system has you covered. If you're considering the Evenflo Pivot Modular Travel System, I highly recommend checking it out. Number 4. This is a great option for parents looking for a safe, comfortable, and convenient car seat that will grow with their child. The Graco Extend 2-Fit is a convertible car seat, which means it can be used rear-facing for children from 4 to 50 pounds and forward-facing for children from 22 to 65 pounds. This means you won't have to buy a new car seat as your child grows, saving you money in the long run. One of the best features of the Extend 2-Fit is its Extend 2-Fit 4-position adjustable extension panel. This panel provides up to 5 inches of additional legroom, allowing your child to safely ride rear-facing for longer. Rear-facing is the safest way for children to travel, so this is a great feature to have. The Graco Extend 2-Fit is also designed to be comfortable and supportive for your child. It features removable plush head and body inserts that help to keep your infant feeling cradled and comfortable. The car seat also has a Simply Safe Adjust no rethread headrest and harness, which means you can easily adjust the fit of the car seat as your child grows. The Graco Extend 2-Fit is easy to install in your car. It comes with a latch system that makes it quick and easy to secure the car seat in place. The Graco Extend 2-Fit also comes with a number of other features that make it a great choice for parents, including a cup holder, a removable washable seat cover, and a 5-point harness. Overall, the Graco Extend 2-Fit convertible car seat is a great option for parents looking for a safe, comfortable, and convenient car seat that will grow with their child. It's packed with features that make it easy to use and keep your child safe on the road. If you're looking for a new car seat for your child, I highly recommend checking out the Graco Extend 2-Fit. Number 3. This versatile trike transitions through 4 stages, seamlessly adapting as your child develops. From a cozy push trike to a speedy independent ride, the Tricycoo offers endless fun and exploration. The journey begins with the push trike stage, perfect for little ones as young as 10 months old. Your child will be comfortable and secure with the padded seat, harness, and sun-protecting canopy. You can push and steer them with the adjustable parent handle, taking them on exciting adventures together. Ready to encourage core muscle development? Simply remove the seat pad and flip down the footrest. This push and train trike stage gives your child the support they need to learn balancing skills while you're still in control. As confidence grows, it's time for the training trike stage. Remove the enclosed armrests and canopy, giving your kiddo more freedom to experiment with balancing on their own. Watch them gain independence and pride as they master the art of riding. The trike mode is all about independent riding. Remove the parent handle, adjust the seat for longer legs, and let your little explorer take on the world. The extra chunky wheels ensure a smooth ride over any terrain, and the optional pedals provide self-propelled fun. The Joovy Tricycoo is not just a trike, it's a companion for your child's early years. From wobbly first steps to confident strides, it's there every step of the way. So why wait? Give your child the gift of adventure and growth with the amazing Joovy Tricycoo. Number 2. This sleek, versatile stroller is a game changer for active parents, offering convenience, comfort, and reliability. Whether you're hitting the trails, strolling through the park, or simply navigating city streets, this stroller promises a smooth and comfortable ride for both you and your little one. The Expedition Jogger comes equipped with large, all-terrain bicycle tires that can conquer any terrain, from smooth sidewalks to bumpy gravel paths. The lockable front swivel wheel allows for easy maneuverability, while the extra-wide, ergonomically shaped rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip even during those long walks. Your child will be traveling in style and comfort with the Expedition Jogger's multi-position reclining padded seat. The adjustable 5-point safety harness and tether strap provide peace of mind, while the child's tray with 2 cup holders keeps snacks and drinks within easy reach. The parent tray with 2 cup holders and a covered storage compartment offers a convenient place to store your essentials. Whether it's your phone, keys, or a water bottle, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. The Expedition Jogger effortlessly transforms into a travel system by accepting Baby Trend Easy Lift infant car seats. This allows you to seamlessly transition from car to stroller without disturbing your sleeping baby. Built with high-quality materials, the Expedition Jogger is designed to last. It folds easily for storage and transport, and the lightweight design makes it a breeze to take along on your adventures. The Baby Trend Expedition Jogger is an excellent choice for parents who want a versatile, comfortable, and feature-packed stroller. Whether you're an active family or simply enjoy exploring the outdoors, this stroller is sure to become your trusted companion on every journey. So, if you're in the market for a new stroller, I highly recommend it. Number 1. This innovative stroller wagon hybrid is perfect for families on the go who want to explore all kinds of terrain. If you're on the lookout for a versatile, all-terrain companion that keeps both you and your little ones comfortable, the Evenflo Pivot Xplore all-terrain stroller wagon might just be the ultimate solution for you. You're strolling your little one down the sidewalk, but then you spontaneously decide to head to the park. No problem. With a simple flip of the handle, the Evenflo Pivot Xplore transforms from a stroller to a wagon. This allows you to push or pull your children, depending on the situation. Take your adventures beyond the pavement with the Evenflo Pivot Xplore's all-terrain wheels. These sturdy wheels can handle everything from sand and gravel to dirt and grass. So whether you're heading to the beach, the park, or just around the neighborhood, you'll be able to navigate any terrain with ease. Keep your children cool and protected from the sun's harmful rays with the stroller's UPF 50+ canopies. These canopies are large and extendable, ensuring your little ones stay shaded even on the brightest days. Need to carry all the essentials for your little ones? No problem. The Evenflo Pivot Xplore features a spacious storage basket that can be accessed from both the front and the back. This basket is large enough to accommodate diapers, wipes, snacks, toys, and more. The Evenflo Pivot Xplore is designed to grow with your family. The wagon can accommodate 2 children ages 6 months to 5 years, and each seat holds up to 55 pounds. Additionally, the wagon can be easily modified by adding a toddler seat or car seat with an adapter, sold separately. This allows you to create flexible seating arrangements for your children, no matter their ages. The Evenflo Pivot Xplore all-terrain stroller wagon is a versatile and convenient option for families who want to explore the world with their little ones. With its adaptable design, all-terrain wheels, sun protection, spacious storage, and growing potential, this stroller wagon hybrid is sure to become your family's favorite adventure companion. So that wraps up our list of the Baby Stroller in 2024. Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Techsavvy Life family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.